guys, I'm back with some updates on my Zepbound journey. So it's been almost a full month taking the shots. My fourth shot was 3 days ago, so it's not the full month yet, but 3 weeks and a half. So far, I lost 6 pounds. My symptoms are non-existent. If I eat too much, sometimes I do feel nausea. It's the same as I said on my last video. If you haven't seen my last video, you should watch it. There's a lot of interesting information about GLP-1 shots and about my past experience with mounjaro and how to get discounts. So let's do the unboxing of my second box. I order from Lilly Direct, and this is how they ship it. There is like a piece of paper with some information about the drug and how to take it. Then you have a receipt, a little information on how to dispose of medication packing. All right, let's get to the good part. Here you go. So this is what keeps it cool. I opted to get the injection supply kit. You get alcohol prep pads. These pads are for you to wipe the top of the vial before you put the syringe in to take the liquid out. You have to use these to make sure that it's sterilized. You get a bunch of syringes. They always send one extra because you only need 4. The tip of the syringe actually is super tiny. It's like this. They also send some compresses. So this is in case you bleed when you inject yourself. Never happened to me, but I keep those just in case. Now to the shots. So shots come in this box. Let me just take all this stuff away. Okay, so this is the actual box that the medication comes in. And inside this box, you have 4 boxes with the 4 vials that you're going to use. It's once a week, so 4 a month. These are the individual boxes. And once you open these boxes, what you have inside is this pamphlet that's going to teach you how to inject yourself and everything you need to know with graphics, like with drawings. So it's very easy. Then you got the actual vial with the medication. Something that's interesting about it is that it comes with more medication than you will use. The syringe fits 0.5 ml. You inject yourself and the rest you're supposed to discard because once you open the top, it's not good to keep anymore because then the seal is broken. So it's an interesting thing to see the medication go to the garbage, but I guess that's what you have to do. All right, guys, so that's it for today. If you have any questions or if you want to share your experience with the GLP-1, make sure to drop that in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.